Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna discuss tutorial chapter 2 alkane, and this is section 3, test yourself. So there are 7 questions in total, so we're gonna discuss them one by one. So let's start with question 1. Write the structural formula for the hydrocarbons. Okay, following the first one, 3-methylpentane. So we're gonna start with the parent first, methyl. So I'm gonna discard that. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So that's pentane. And then we got at carbon number 3 we got methyl. So 1 2 3 got methyl. So there you go, that's 3-methylpentane. For question B, 1,2-dichloro 3-methylbutane. So the parent is butane. So let's draw butane. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then we got 3-methyl at carbon number 3. 1 2 3, we got methyl. Okay, and then we got chloro at carbon number 1 and 2, dichloro. So chloro. Okay, let's go to question C. C, we got 3-ethyl-2,2,4 trimethylhexane. Okay, so we're gonna start with the parent first, which is hexane. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's hexane. And then we got 2,2,4 trimethyl. So at carbon number 2, let's say 1 2 2 2 4 2 2 4. Yes, carbon number 2 and carbon number 4 we got methyl, and carbon number 3 we got ethyl. So sorry, number 3. So this is number 3. 1 2 3. This is number 3. It's ethyl. 1 2. Yes, there you go. That's it for number 1. Okay, question 2. Write the structural formula and name the cycloalkane with the molecular formula C3H6. So okay, senang saja. Cycloalkane, so 1 2 3 carbons. Yeah, 1 2 3. Let's combine them. Yeah, there you go, C3H6. And we got already write the structural formula. Now the name is cyclopropane. So pada 3 carbon. Right? Now let's go to B. Write the structural formula of 2 cycloalkanes with the molecular formula C7H14 and name them. Okay, they ask you to write cycloalkanes with 7 carbons. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Let's combine them. Okay, C7H14, yeah. Alright, so what is the name of this? The name should, okay, and then O2. Oh wait, there's extra information here. Each of the cycloalkanes has a side chain. Oh, okay, so we cannot draw like this. So this is not the correct one. Cannot, because must have side chain. That means they must have a branch. So let's say we just draw 6 and then 1. Again 6 and then 1. So, and then the other one is maybe has a side chain. Okay, so maybe we draw 5 and then 1 2, because there's only one side chain. So in this case the side chain is methyl with 1 carbon. In this case the side chain is ethyl. So the name is, for this one, is methyl cyclohexane. Okay, alright, and then for the other one here it's ethyl cyclopentane, because the parent has 5. Okay, 5. This one, the parent has 6 carbons. Okay, and you can also actually draw, other than this, you can also draw, the other option is 4, and then you got like this, 3 carbons. Yeah, or you can also draw 4 and then you got like this. Okay, and you can also draw 3. It's more complicated maybe. No, you cannot draw 3, because if you draw 3, the side chain will have 4 oh, actually you can 4, so there is no restriction on that, as long as you got this and then you got cyclobutyl, or you can draw this. So these are the options that you can draw. Okay, well, in terms of naming, all these two, okay, these two here, this one and this one, the parent would be cyclobutane. Okay, so the anak di sini adalah this one, 1 2 3, it's propyl, and this one anak dia adalah isopropyl. So you can combine them. It's either isopropyl cyclobutane or propyl cyclobutane, up to you. Meanwhile, the other 3 here, anak parent dia adalah 3 carbons. No, it's not 3 carbon sudah. Okay, this one parent dia akan jadi 1 2 3 4, so the parent would be butane. Okay, and anak dia akan jadi cyclopropyl butane. Kenapa ini menang? Kenapa butane yang menang? Sebab dia lagi banyak karbon. So the parent is not, the parent, okay, is not the cyclopropyl. Okay, instead the parent is butane. Okay, meanwhile for this one, the parent, the parent is 1 2 3. So you're gonna prefer this as the parent because dia lagi banyak anak. Okay, so the parent, kalau ini jadi parent, dia akan ada 2 anak, which is cyclopropyl and methyl and cyclopropyl, itu anak dia, and parent dia adalah propan. Okay, ada 2 anak, jadi this one is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, so 2 cyclopropyl, and then sorry, it's gonna be 1 cyclopropyl and 2 methyl propan. That's the name. And the other one here, we got 1 2 3 carbons also. Okay, or option lain adalah 1 2 3. Okay, ada 2 anak. Yes, yang itu yang menang, sebab kalau kita pakai ini ada 2 anak. Sekali lagi, it's cyclopropyl and also methyl, ada 2 anak. Kalau kita punya parent adalah, kalau kita ambil parent dia adalah ini saja, cyclopropan saja, 1 anak saja, third butyl. Tapi kalau kita ambil ini sebagai parent, the propan as parent, we got 2 substituent, which is methyl and cyclopropyl. So if you number them, it's going to be 1 2 3. So it's going to be 2 cyclopropyl, 2 methyl propan as the parent. Okay, next question. Compare the solubility of nonane in water and tetrachloromethane. Explain your answer. Okay, basically, nonane is alkane. Alkane in general is nonane is insoluble in water. Explain, right? Because they cannot form hydrogen bond with water. As simple as that. Okay, nonane is soluble in CCl4 because they can form van der Waals forces with CCl4. That's the reason. Insoluble in water because cannot form hydrogen bond with water, but soluble in CCl4 because they can form van der Waals forces with CCl4. That's your answer. Okay. Remember, nonane is an alkane. Alkane ada CH bond sahaja, which is very non-polar bond. Okay, so they cannot form hydrogen bond with water. Okay, hydrogen bond. Now, question number 4. Explain how boiling points of alkanes increases with increasing molecular weight. So, how boiling point increase with increasing molecular weight. So, as molecular weight increase, okay, apa dia? As molecular weight increase, strength of van der Waals forces of alkane also increase. So bila strength of van der Waals force increase, maka more energy required to overcome the van der Waals forces. So boiling point also increases. You can actually put the word thus, up to you lah. So, okay, tak buat pun tidak apa. Okay, and then question B. For question B here, how alkanes with similar molecular weight, the boiling point will be low for branch alkanes as compared to straight chain alkanes. Okay, the thing is, for similar weight of alkane, branches will reduce the surface area of contact. Okay, more branches, smaller surface area. Molecules, okay, of alkane will become more compact. So van der Waals forces is weaker. Alright, so less energy, okay, required to break van der Waals forces. So boiling point is lower for branch alkanes. Okay. Okay, next question. Compare the physical properties of the following compounds in order of decreasing boiling point. Demo decreasing boiling point and explain, of course. First, kita ada heptane. Heptane we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Lurus sejak. That's A. B, 2-methylhexane. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2-methylhexane. Okay, that's B. C, 1, 2, 4 trimethylpentane. Pentane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. 5 saja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4. Okay, trimethyl. Macam salah je nama dia ni. 124, nama 124 mana boleh 124 kan. Ini bukan nama betul dia. Kalau 124 tu, kalau begini kita lukis balik, dia bukan 124, so dia akan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So dia akan jadi hexane sudah. Just correct the name. And of course, anak dia dekat sini jadi 1, 2, 4. 2,4 dimethylhexane actually. That's the name. Okay, pembetulan ya. Okay, and then D, octane. Octane, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, D. So kalau kita tengok betul-betul, A dia ada 7 carbons. B dia ada berapa carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 juga 7 carbons. C dia ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons. D dia ada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbons. So of course 8 carbons lebih tinggi daripada ni. Jadi kalau kita mau susun DC dengan CD ni lebih tinggi daripada BA. Of course, sebab diorang ada 8 karbon, ni cucu karbon. Okay, antara C dengan D, C branch D linear, jadi D lebih tinggi. Jadi kalau ikut urutan, okay, D is higher than C. And then antara B dengan A pula, okay, A linear, B branch, jadi A menang. So A higher than B. So that's the, oh dia mau decreasing, sorry. So mau decreasing, kita kena tulis balik. D, C, A, B. Okay, dia mau decreasing guys. Okay, pada ni, okay, decreasing. So decreasing boiling point. Okay, now the question is, explain kenapa begitu. Jadi C and D has 8 carbons, while A and B have 7 carbons. Okay, C and D has bigger size than A and B. So C and D has stronger van der Waals. Okay, kalau kita ingat aja van der Waals macam mana, dia mesti V kecil, van, D kecil, der, W besar, van der Waals forces. Okay, so okay, sementara itu kenapa D lebih tinggi daripada C? D, okay, is linear, while C is branched. So tambah je point, branches reduce surface area. So C has weaker van der Waals than D. Okay, you can explain also for B and A, but it's the same point. Okay, you can also say, okay, so just tambah je stronger, okay, van der Waals, okay, more energy required. So I just wrap up everything. Required to break the intermolecular forces, ya, ataupun van der Waals forces. Okay, itu je lah tambahan dia. So the point here is, you can explain first, the first mark should be about, you mentioned about C and D are bigger than A, and then so stronger van der Waals. And then you explain about branch, which is either you explain about C and D or you explain about B and A, either one. Okay, it's the same point. You can mention branches reduce surface area. And last but not least, wrap up. Stronger van der Waals, more energy required. That's a strong point too. Alright. Okay, number 6. Write the structural formula of 2,2,3-trimethyl butane and give 3 physical properties and 2 chemical properties of 2,2,3-trimethyl butane. So let's start. A. Let's draw 2,2,3-trimethyl butane. So the parent is butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2, 2, 3 trimethyl. We are done. Okay. B. Physical properties. So physical properties of 2,2,3-trimethyl butane. Number 1, kalau kita tengok betul-betul, dia ada berapa ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dia ada 7 carbons. Dia ada 7 carbons. So kalau 7 carbons, dia dalam kategori liquid. Okay. Ingat kalau C1 until C4 gas, C5 until C17, okay, it's liquid. And more than that, more than 17 is solid. Okay, so okay, first dia adalah liquid at room temperature, by the way, room temperature. Okay, yang kedua, of course, they're insoluble in water because, okay, and last but not least, okay, kita boleh cakap dia soluble in organic solvent. Selesai. Okay. Itu adalah physical properties. What about chemical properties? So chemical properties dia pula, dia minta dua jangan. So apa? It is burned ataupun combusted, dibakar, combusted in excess oxygen to give, okay, to produce CO2 and H2O. Kalau limited oxygen, okay, okay, itu kalau excess oxygen. While in limited oxygen, it produces CO and H2O. Okay. And satu lagi dia punya chemical properties adalah it undergoes the so-called free radical substitution. It undergoes free radical substitution. So dia methane kan? Methane pula. Alkane substitution with chlorine or bromine in the presence of UV. Okay, the presence of UV. Okay, question number 7. Combustion of alkanes could occur at the condition of sufficient and insufficient oxygen. Write the chemical equation for 2-methylbutane. Dia mau 2-methylbutane dekat excess dan limited oxygen. So let's go to A. 2-methylbutane. So 2-methylbutane is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2-methylbutane. And then methyl. So kalau kita kira balik, okay, kalau kita buat equation yang combustion ni, you don't have to, tidak wajib, sebaiknya kita buat yang structural formula, molecular formula biasa aja. Jangan buat structural formula lah. Jadi based on nama dia ni, kita draw tadi kan, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ada 5 sebenarnya, ada 5. So C5H12, so the alkane. Okay, jadi kita buat formula C5H12 react dengan oxygen to form, kalau excess oxygen hasilkan CO2 dan H2O. Alright, and then B pula kita ada C5H12 sama juga O2, cuma beza dia produk. Kalau limited dia akan dapat CO dan H2O. Now let's balance the equation. So to balance this, left and right, so 5 carbons, and then we got 6 H2O sebab ada 6 sini, and then ada 5 darab 10 tambah 6, 5 darab 10 tambah 6, 16. So 16, so sini 8 oxygen. So there you go. And then the second one, okay, let's go and check C5. So kita darab 5 carbon, and then ada 6 juga. Okay, so H12 kan, cuma kali ini, okay, this time got 5 times 5O plus 6O, 11O. So put it here, 11 over 2. And there you go.